I'm going to show you how making your own solar power system can be so easy. It says the battery voltage is 13.2 volts. The light here says that's reading the battery. The light is lit up and the solar panel is charging. Part of the charge controller that has the light bulb on it. You have the positive here, the negative here. That can go directly into the power system on your RV or whatever it is you're powering. The battery has Bluetooth. I can connect to the battery with their app on my phone. It's showing the battery at 42% charge. It's charging at 221 watts, which will take it 15 hours to charge. Still, it's going to take that long for that 400 watt panel to charge this because it's such a big battery. Not in size, but compared to this 100 amp hour deep cycle lead acid battery, which is a big battery, this is almost 3 times the capacity and probably close to the same weight, if not less.